Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Ford Torino GT. Love this car, man. A buddy of mine from North Carolina is the one that found me this car. Killer car, factory color combo. I love that. Factory shaker hood GT 4-speed car. 351 Cleveland. It's got the Magnum 500s. If you're a Ford guy, to me this is just a killer car. Love the color combo. It's called Vermillion, which is red or really looks orange, with a factory white interior. Nice car, man. Recent frame up restoration. There's some receipts here. It looks like it was done 2015, 2016. They put 7,000 miles on the car since it was done, so you can tell this is a good car. And I'll tell you what, I cruised this car a little bit, put 7-8 miles on it. Man, what a nice running and driving car. Shifts out good, nice and tight. Really a good car. Factory laser striping on the side. This car's just got a killer look. Car was delivered new in North Carolina, and that's where we bought it from, so it looks like it's always been in North Carolina. There is a Marti Report for the car. Very nice. Few little marks I saw on the bumper, but man, that's just nitpicking it. This is a nice car. Gotta love that shaker hood. Guys, I'm sure they can get that off. I'm not real sure what that is. Something is dripped on there. You can see it's got one little split there in the dash. Dual sport mirrors. Yeah, I like this car a lot, man. Killer body style. Really good car. Little pitting there on the top of that bumper. Look how nice that thing is down the sides. Cooper Cobras all the way around it. It's got 15-inch Magnum 500s. Car's nice and clean underneath. It's got a good sound to it. That's a good looking car right there, man. Front disc, it's actually got Wilwood front disc brakes. .351 Cleveland car. Man, I did everything I could do to try to see if I get the number off the back of the block. It's pretty much impossible, man, so I can't tell you if it's the correct block or not. It's Holley 4-barrel. It is a factory shaker hood car, which is pretty cool. A manual steering, power front disc brakes, 4-speed manual transmission, close ratio manual transmission. And like I say, a real pleasure to drive, man. The car hits the road good. Factory air cleaner and valve covers. There's a little stone peck right there. Nice car, pretty car. Stainless is nice. Door handles are real nice. They've definitely replaced those. You can see how nice the door rubbers are. There's your door tag. Again, factory color combo. Little crack in there. Remote mirror. It's like new carpet, new sill plates. Bucket seats, console. It's got the Hurst shifter. The factory steering wheel's in the trunk. Looks like it's got all the seat belts in it. Dash is really nice. 7689. If you can read that. That's some miles on the resto. It's got an aftermarket audio sounds AM FM radio. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Factory 9-inch rear with the 325 rear end. Comes with the show board. There's a company that did the restoration. Factory jack was spare. Like I say, this is the original steering wheel. You can see some cracking, and that's probably why they replaced it. Marti Report. There's also, like I say, there's not a ton, but there's some receipts for the restoration. There is a receipt on the engine. Very, very nice, guys. Wind's picking up out here. It's getting cold. Got some new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you keep track of that website. I'm trying to buy my little heart out right now. Mark Daniel. I'm not trying to pick it to death, and I'm sure I miss. You know, I know I miss stuff on some cars, guys. But anything I see, I try to show you. But none of these things are perfect, man. They're all old cars. You're going to be working on them. Man, that's a good looking car, man. Nice car. Again, it's got the dual sport mirrors in it. Car sounds just outstanding. And like I say, it's nice and tight. Hit the road great. Boy, I gotta love that shaker hood. That thing sounds mean. Parking brake does work. All your gauges are working. Boy, how can you not like that, man? Radio works, blower motor works. Wipers work. Ooh, we got a wiper. We have to change a wiper blade. Looks like we had a wiper blade. Let's. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos.  'Cause, 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 'cause It's traffic.